Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to share a story link from your highlight on Instagram. This updated method is simple and effective, allowing you to share your favorite moments with friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and highlights seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile, scroll down below your bio section to find the story from your highlight that you want to share. Tap on the highlight cover to view the stories saved within it. This is where you'll find the specific story you wish to link. After selecting the story, look for the Send to icon. It usually resembles a paper airplane or an arrow. Tap on this icon to proceed. This step opens up sharing options for you. Now it's time to choose Copy Link. This option allows you to copy the link of the selected highlight story directly to your clipboard. Once you tap on it, you'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied. Finally, you can share the link wherever you want. Whether it's through a direct message on Instagram, an email, or any other social media platform, just paste the link and send it off. Anyone who clicks on that link will be directed straight to your Instagram highlight, allowing them to enjoy your content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a story link from your highlight on Instagram. Remember, this feature is a great way to keep your followers engaged with your best moments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Instagram effectively.